Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. Today we have received a board from a vendor. Okay. Let us check what is the issue. So आज एक बोर्ड आया है मिस्टर परम, प्लीज़ ओपन इट. सो ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा अभी. Bottom over, right? So now you have to open like this. Take a knife, came right? Okay, अभी देखिए क्या क्या आया है इसमें. Okay, tell me the motherboard part number. You can cut it. Carefully. See, this is the motherboard. Motherboard part number here it's not mentioned. Yes. See, DAG 74 AMB 8D0. Okay. The issue is power on no display. ये पार्ट नंबर अभी मैं दिखाया आपको. इसका इशू क्या है ना, ये पावर ऑन नो डिस्प्ले का इशू है. आइए ये क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है और कैसे हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं वो भी चेक करेंगे आज. परम, लेट अस ट्रबल शूट दिस. ओके. अभी इस बोर्ड को पावर सप्लाई देना पड़ेगा अभी. ओके, मैं अभी पावर सप्लाई दे रहा हूँ. आई एम कनेक्टिंग टू DC, आई मीन DC सप्लाई. सी, चेक द पावर एम्प, व्हाट इट विल कम. ओके, दिस वन इज 9 4. दिस इज ओके somehow. Before pressing power button 3 and 5 may be okay, I think so, but anyway, check the motherboard. Here is the power button. I will press the power button. I will check what it will show DC machine. अभी पावर बटन प्रेस करके मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ क्या आ रहा है DC मशीन में. बटन प्रेस हो गया, लाइट भी आ रहा है और एम्प .285. 85. It's a constant 285 286. It's not moving forward and not moving coming backward, right? ये .286 में स्टक हो गया है. ओके, इसके आगे भी नहीं जा रहा है, कम भी नहीं हो रहा है. क्या रीज़न हो सकता है पता नहीं. ओके, अभी तो बोर्ड आया है, चेक करेंगे. और एक काम करेंगे, बिना रैम कितना आएगा, विदाउट रैम हाउ मच इट विल शो, दैट आल्सो विल चेक. Carefully we have to open. Now I'm connecting this machine. check. I'm pressing the power button. This is, see, without RAM. With RAM and without RAM, same RAM. Okay, what is the RAM it is? Once we will check the RAM. 8 GB DDR4. We have a RAM, I think so. That one we will put and we will check. Okay, I have taken here working RAM. This is working RAM. ये वर्किंग रैम है, इसको मैं कनेक्ट कर लेता हूँ. केयरफुली वी हैव टू प्रेस इट, नो हरी बरी. ओके, देन I will give the DC machine supply, power supply. So now powering on. What is the reading? See,
Same reading, sir.
same reading, right? So now what is the step? In which section we have to check? See, here we got a clue. What is that? With RAM and without RAM, same amp. It's not taking. It means first we need to check the VTT. It's available or not. If VTT is not available, from where it's coming, that we need to check. Okay, we got the schematic here, so we'll open. और इस बोर्ड में कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया है. There is no mention at all in this board. See, nothing has mentioned. Generally we need to check what section and where it has to go. There is no mark at all. ये थोड़ा टफ रहेगा आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, क्योंकि इसमें मार्क कुछ भी नहीं है. आप स्कीमेटिक करके उतना फ़ायदा नहीं हो सकता है. मैनुअली हमको ढूंढना चाहिए इधर किधर क्या ऐसी क्या क्या कनेक्शन करके. सी, इधर भी हो, मेंशन नहीं किया है. See, there is no mark at all. Mr. Param, we do one thing first. We will check all coil voltages. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Impedance not required because it's switching on properly. So now I am giving the power supply. Okay. Careful. Here is the power button. Here we need to check, right? There is a power button here. Now it's turned on. So let us check the voltages. Coil voltages. Any coil you can check. Okay. This one is 2.5, maybe battery voltage, battery coil. 3.3, good. 1.035, good. 1.05, good. This one is unable to get. Okay, these two means this may be core, I think so, but I don't know. Anyway, let me check. This one, see, 1 2 3 we are not getting. 0.9, this is graphics one. Okay, 0.3 graphic is good. So here 1.2 RAM we are getting.
Yes.
This one 5.1. See here in this 3.3 and 5 both we are getting, even including RAM.
RAM also. Yes.
इसमें 3.3, 5 और RAM तीनों मिल रहा है. उसके साथ ये दो जो 1.02 का है ना वो भी मिल रहा है हमें, लेकिन ये कोर का जो है ना वो नहीं बन रहा है. कोर का है एक्चुअली. ये देखिए ये कितना है, ये भी नहीं मिल रहा है. 1 2 3 3 नहीं मिल रहा है. इसका वजह क्या हो सकता है चेक करेंगे. नहीं ये मिल रहा है. ये वी आर गेटिंग. सी
Yes.
okay, we are unable to get these 3 coil voltages. And second thing is VTD we need to check, but here it's not mentioned anything. Through the continuity we need to check. Okay. See in this RAM IC in schematic it has given PU12. Okay, first we need to find out which is RAM IC. See usually RAM section, nearby RAM section IC will be there. Here high low MOSFET and this may be the RAM, but here leg is 4 is there, right? 4 right? No 5 leg.
5 like.
So 20 pin. इसमें क्या है ना 20 पिन का IC लगा हुआ है. स्कीमेटिक को चेक किया तो उसमें 20 पिन है. ओके, इसको देख के पता चलेगा यही रैम IC. इधर मेंशन नहीं किया है लेकिन हम अंदाज में चेक कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये कंफर्म हुआ है अभी 20 पिन का यही हो सकता है. ओके, इसमें VTD पिन नंबर 20 और 2 में कनेक्टेड है. उसमें आ रहा है या नहीं वो पहले चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी आर चेकिंग द VTD. ओके, सी VTD वोल्टेज
Available, sir.
0.6. सी व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्टेड दैट आल्सो अवेलेबल नाउ. हमें जो मिलना था वोल्टेज वो भी मिल रहा है. उसके आगे हम क्या चेक कर सकते हैं वो डिटेली ये क्या है स्कीमेटिक चेक करके बाद में ये चेक करेंगे. नाउ सी वी गॉट दैट VTD voltage. After that what we have to check, that we need to confirm. As per the schematic next 2.5 is there. Okay, here IC number not mentioned, but leg has mentioned in the schematic. See total 8 leg. IC number is 9661. That we have to find out here. Now here 8 leg ICs are there here. Okay, 2 are there. Number is G9661M. See the schematic. Yes, G9661M. 2 axes are given. In that pin number 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 are joined one. Okay, same. See in the schematic 5 and 6 are both are same. That is the output. Here which one is 2.5 and which one is other voltage we don't know. Directly we'll check. Okay, that we are getting or not, that also will confirm it. Now ground. Here is the IC. So this pin 2.5. We are getting 2.5 volts. So this IC is 2.5. And what about this IC? This one is 1.0, 1.8. Just a minute. 1.8. Okay, 1.8 IC this one. As per the schematic we got 2.5 and 1.8 also. Now 1.0. This is the IC. Okay, this one how we confirmed is, so here it's the pin number 10 is connected to the coil. This is the IC 1.0 volts will give. Okay, इधर 1.0 भी पता चल गया क्योंकि इधर पिन नंबर 10 इधर कनेक्टेड है. इसलिए ये भी आ रहा है हमें. ओके, ये 1.0 का हो गया और ये कौन सा है, ये भी 1.0 दिखाई दे रहा है. चेक करेंगे ये कौन सा होगा. ये दोनों छोड़ के ये तो कंफर्म हो गया. एक मिनट. 1.0. हाँ, the amp. Touch and see, is it getting heat or not? No, no. Any other coil? टच करके चेक कीजिए हीट हो रहा है या नहीं.
This one heats up
Getting heat?
little bit.
Oh, okay. This is a graphic, right? So that's right. Okay. This one we don't know which voltage. These 2, 3. These 3 we don't know, and this one is graphics voltage 1.35 maybe. We are getting or not this? Yes, 1.5 volts we are getting. Let us check finally what is that. Now we found this one 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one that's a 3.3.
3.3 volts.
Only 1, 2, 3. This one also we are getting, but which voltage we don't know, right?
Yes.
So here ये भी मुझे पता चल गया, लेकिन ये कौन सा है हमें पता नहीं है. सर्किट चेक करेंगे. ये नहीं मिल रहा है. 1, 2, 3 नहीं मिल रहा है अभी.
1.2 5 volts.
1.2 5 volts, 3.3
1.0 volts.
1.0 volts. ये भी 1.0 दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन कौन सा है चेक करेंगे. ओके, 1.8 2.5
This one battery
3.3.
voltage.
ये बैटरी का है. ओके. See, now actually we did the cold test. अभी हम कोल्ड टेस्ट करके ये कंफर्म किए हैं, ये जो है ना ये VCC GT का है. Okay.
VCC underscore
We
GT.
confirmed by cold test this is VCC underscore GT, and what the supply we are getting, that is VCC underscore SA.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to find out why it's not available. Behind to this one IC is there. From this IC it's available. What is that? VCC underscore GT. But at present it's not available. When we observe this IC, see here, what is there? In this section, just a minute. See here, jumper is there. Anything else? Here one has gone. Something has done here. Okay, see, this will have done only. Don't know, but some jumper is there. What the reason this jumper is available here, but we don't know. इधर एक जंपर दिया हुआ है, किस कारण से ये जंपर दिया है और किस कारण से इस आईसी को चढ़ा है, ये हमको चेक करना पड़ेगा अभी. ओके, हमको वी हैव टू चेक दिस पर्टिकुलर आईसी रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके. सी फर्स्ट already told we need to check the IC requirement. In this IC we will get VCC GT and VCC SA. Okay, but here a coil we are getting a voltage. Now orally I told you it's a VCC SA. कि मैंने क्या किया, मैंने ओरली ऐसे ही बोल दिया ये VCC SA का है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली पता होना चाहिए ना. सो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे अब, सो प्रैक्टिकली हमारा जो स्मार्ट टेस्टिंग जो रहता है ना, उसके हिसाब से ये चेक करेंगे आईसी को, ये आईसी इसमें कनेक्टेड है या नहीं चेक करेंगे. बाद में कितना वोल्टेज आ रहा है वो भी चेक करेंगे. ओके. अभी देखिए मैं ऑलरेडी बोल चुका हूँ स्मार्ट टेस्ट कैसे होता है करके. जनरली मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इधर देखिए ये जो है ना ये इसका सप्लाई है. एज पर द स्कीमेटिक ये सप्लाई होगा पी पर आए. ओके. इसका मतलब ये जो 2.2 होम्स का जो रजिस्टर है ना वो सप्लाई का है. दिस 2.2 वोल्टेज इज फॉर सप्लाई. So pin number 12, pin number 13 5 volts has to come. Okay, that also we will check. And what we are checking, that particular coil is SA or GT. First we need to confirm. So in this pin what is that? In this I see pin number 16 is SA phase. First we will check smart check. Okay, that phase we will check. See, pin number 16. Here is a 13. Using this test point, usually it goes to high-low MOSFET. First high MOSFET it will go. So behind to this, here is a high MOSFET, right? Which one?
This one.
This one. 7402 something is there. That source is connected to here or not, that we need to check. See, holding like this, beep. Okay, it means this is the phase. This phase where it has connected here, completely zero. See, one minute. Okay, it means this is what
Smart test.
VCC SCA. Now, as same kind of testing we will do for GT also. GT we don't know where it is, right? That also we have to do. See, now the pin number, what is that phase for GT? GT का पिन नंबर कौन सा है? पिन नंबर 24 है ना? See, pin number 24 is the phase. That has gone to high MOSFET of this one coil, this size high MOSFET. Okay, what we have to do now? So we have to keep a probe here, hold like this. See, we have to keep a probe here, hold the motherboard like this. Pin number which one? 24.
24.
See, like this we have to check. Sir, 24.
4.
6, 5, 24. See, giving beep, right? Okay, once again I'll show you. See, you have to hold like this, and here, what's the pin? 23,
24.
24. Clear?
Yeah.
It means this is the GT. This GT we are unable to get. But we confirmed this is the SA. SA is 1.05 we are already getting. But GT we are unable to get. So why we are not getting that? We need to check again. Okay. By cold test or warm test, whatever it may be, we have to check. See, this high-low MOSFET gate we have to check first. If gate not possible, then first we need to check the enable. Okay. Now, what is the enable pin? 32 and 33. Right. Here, 32, which one? 33 I will check. Okay, 32 and 33. Give the supply. Here. On it. So now check the voltage. For the pin 32 and 33, right? What is that?
Ground, sir.
Digital beep. See, input is not available for GT. If input is not available, then you won't get the phase. So if you search in high-low MOSFET, there will be no use. But we can check that MOSFET is good or not. First, for this IC, sense has to come. Then only you will get the GT. Okay, that part we will check. Here is the summary. See, in this board I found many short and many registers were missing, so everything has done maximum. See, the main thing is data, clock and alert and power good. Many registers were burned or replaced or missing. Okay, those things I corrected. Then also I am not getting the VCC GT. ओके बहुत कोशिश के बाद भी हमें VCC GT नहीं मिला, क्योंकि ये जो बहुत सारा कंपोनेंट्स मिसिंग था वो भी मैं डाल दिया हूँ, लेकिन फाइनली क्या हो रहा है ना, ये जो लो मॉसफेट और इसका जो गेट कनेक्शन रहता है ना उसमें शॉर्ट दिखाई दे रहा है इधर से। एक्चुअली ये 3 सेक्शन वोल्टेज का काम करेगा, एक्चुअली 3 सेक्शन में वोल्टेज दे देगा। ये VCC GT, VCC SA और VCC कोर। इधर VCC SA आ रहा है लेकिन GT एंड कोर नहीं आ रहा है। GT आने के बाद ही कोर आएगा, लेकिन पावर गुड भी मिल रहा है इसमें। ये थोड़ा गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है। ये IC अच्छा रहेगा तो बाद में ही पावर गुड लास्ट में मिलेगा, लेकिन अभी पावर गुड मिल रहा है और GT नहीं मिल रहा है और VCC कोर भी नहीं मिल रहा है। इसका मतलब ये हुआ ये इंटरनली लो मॉसफेट से शॉर्ट है। मॉसफेट ठीक है लेकिन ये IC ख़राब हो चुका है, इसको रिप्लेस करना ही एक सोल्यूशन है। एक्चुअली दिस IC इज़ शॉर्ट विथ लो मॉसफेट गेट, so that's the reason we need to replace this IC, because we are getting only SA, not GT and this one VCC core. And what else? This one many registers were missing, right? So those things we corrected properly. So then also it's not working. It's internally has short, and we are getting the power good also. We should not get that. So at present, once we get all 3 sections, then only we will get that power good. Okay, anyway, this is the conclusion. We need to replace this IC. So then let us check. Thank you.